What do we have here today? Let's check it out. My ears! Let's turn this upside down and you'll find out why. This is a little device here that I know my daughter will love, and so will the birds. Any minute now. Oh, there it is. There it is. You see, the thing is, it has suction cups on the bottom. This is not able to be suction cup because of the type of material it is. But it's a solar powered doohickey, you know. Just a little something to add a little love to your garden, to attract the birds and different things over here. Perhaps if I place a couple of rocks on it. Well, I can't do that because that blocks out the sun. Now it is an overcast day, so that could be affecting it as well. I'm gonna give it a couple of moments to see if it can get itself going. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come back in a couple of days, maybe even tomorrow, and do a follow-up on this video. Maybe we'll have better weather, as some would say, and maybe it'll work then. All right, let's check it out. That answers my question. How come my currants aren't growing? He hopped out of there. There he is. That bird right there. He was just in my garden. You think that's funny? He was down there. Alright. It's the next day and it seems to be working fine. And it's overcast outside, so makes you wonder if it was a bright sunny day, how high would this thing go? I think it works just fine. I believe if I had some type of glass bottom that the suction cups would work better. Plus it comes with 3 different heads. You saw when I put that one on there, and I have the other 2. They're just different designs of sprinkle. But it works, and I think that's all that matters. Effortless, as you saw. When I came out this morning, there was a bird over here with it. And Feodora's gonna love it, so that's all that matters to me. Frog, do you plan on picking one up? Do you have one? I know they make different styles, so let me know if it works for you, how it works, did you get it to work, were there any problems? But for me, other than a floating, I call it a winner. And as always, peace from the Garden of Feodora. My ears!